It and... Saan ni siyang isa? It and Alea versus Lylane and Cry Cry on court 3. It and Alea versus Lylane and Cry Cry on court 3. By the way, dili na ta maghapak-hapak, mabito na nagbutang kong time from 9 to 8 to 9 or 8 to 10. Time mo na yung kasi tawag ni warm up. So diretso na ta. Umpire, diretso na umpire.
Scoring sa court 2.
On court 2, umpire, Glycy. Saan si Glycy? Pwede si Glycy. Court 3, Glycy. Line Jan, Sian, and Ken. Sian and Sam. Si Sian and Sam, line judge on court 3. Glycy. Mamanihog ni Glycy. On court 4, intermediate B, Joshua and Danny versus Alvin and Kobe. On court, isa may pwede. Roel, si Roel. Roel, Roel, pwede ka mag-line judge, abak umpire. Ang line judge na lang si Glycy and, unya ka na lang Glycy ha.
Court 2 eh.
Ha?
Sa court 2 eh.
Oo, court 2. Ay, dili, court 3 na, court 3. Inside now? Court 4. Court 3, court 3. Asa naman ang line judge? Ay, din, isa to kung assign din mo, kauban. Asa si Curdy? Curdy! Makinig Curdy doon. Asa okay na? Umpire for court 3 na. Umpire court 3. Si Ruel. Asa si Ruel? Ay, pwede ka ba sa court 3, sir? Asa ang papel sa court 3? Women's doubles it and Alea versus Lylane and Cry Cry. Ang umpire nato si line judge. Glycy na lang, Glycy. Ikaw na lang mag-align judge sa sa court 3. Glycy and Sam. Glycy and Sam. Asa si Sam? Okay na. On court 4, B, Joshua and Danny versus Alvin and Kobe. Wala. Okay. Ang umpire na to si Ken. Asa si Ken? Si Ken. Ay, Ken ako. Si Ken. Asa Ken and Kurt? Asa si Ken and Kurt? Ano yan sa dinibig?
Mag-umpire ka?
Ikaw umpire. Line judge ka. Ikaw mag-line judge.
Asa mag-umpire?
Court 4. Court 4. Ballpen Angel. Kompleto na ang line judge sa kuan sa court 4. Okay lang line dyan sa court 4? Okay. Umpire, start your game.
or focus on the music with a brand new dark mode that hides the visuals and keeps you in the moment. Tap the battery to learn more.
Players, please start paying now. You may start paying for the registration. Thank you.
Pero no problem. With Spotify Premium, you can download your favorite playlists and listen offline para tuloy lang ang good vibes from take off the laptop. Yan ang sound trip na walang limit with Spotify Premium. Upgrade now.
Philip, pareho ko ni Jotem sa likod na yung mga dala assists. Any Vortex players, katong nalag kong lawas, paki-assist kay Jotem sa likod. Wala. Vortex players, paki-assist kay Jotem sa gawas na idala. Vortex players.
Lawas daw. Uy. Paglawas.
Please prepare after this game on court 1. On court 1, Dean and Kids versus Jutep and Faith on court 1, please prepare. On court 2, please prepare Michael and Ace versus Philip and Jim. On court 3, Beth and Ami versus Bethany and Laika on court 3. And on court 4, please prepare Joseph and Clyde versus Enzo and Bruce on court 4. Again, on court 1, please prepare Dean and Kids versus Jutep and Faith. On court 2, Michael and Ace versus Philip and Jim. On court 3, Beth and Ami versus Bethany and Alaika. And on court 4, please prepare Joseph and Clyde versus Enzo and Bruce. Please prepare. Stay put, umpire, are line judge ha. Dahil mo permi, ayaw lang mo og naog. Ang trabaho sa line judge, makuha sa result dito sa umpire, then get the used ball, i-return diri sa match control. Then get the new score sheets and the new ball. Thank you. guys, water na to is free. Pwede na mo magkuha, just provide your own water bottle or your tumbler. Free atong water, pwede na mo magkuha diri. So just provide your own tumbler.
To hear the perfect music for your mood, all you have to do is ask. With a new Spotify extension for Gemini on Android, you can play your favorite songs, start a podcast, or get a playlist recommendation for your workout. Just ask Gemini, and Spotify will play it for you. Finding the soundtrack to your day has never been easier. Get the better to learn more. Explore new ways to connect your music with Spotify Premium. Smart Shuffle adds recommendations into your playlist to show you new sounds. You can make music a shared experience and host a jam, where you and your friends can add songs and listen in together. Tap the banner to learn more.
Jotep, hapit na naman ang court 1. Prepare na. O pa ka nagsapatos. Okay. Aidin, get the result. Stay put lang ha, mga